Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. So finally we have winters here. In winters my skin tends to become very dry and very flaky. So there's a serum that I normally make when it's winters, and it has helped me really put my skin at ease and no flakiness. So the serum was over and I wanted to remake it so that I can use it for my beautiful skin. So I thought, let's share it with you all. So for that, we need to get into our skincare chair. There's nothing from the kitchen that we're going to use today. So let's get started. So first ingredient that we're going to use is aloe vera. Try using an aloe vera gel from the market, whichever suits your skin and does not make you dry. The second ingredient that we're going to use is rose water. This is 100% rose water. The third ingredient that I'm going to use is vitamin E oil. If you don't have vitamin E oil, you can always use a capsule, which is vitamin E capsules that we get. The fourth ingredient that we're going to use is almond oil. Most importantly, we need a bottle. I prefer a glass bottle because the ingredient tends to last much longer comparatively to the plastic bottles. Let's see how we can make this serum. For that, I'm just going to take the aloe vera and put it directly into the bottle. So I've taken around, say, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera. Now to that, I'm going to add very little vitamin E oil. And then the almond oil. Say again 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Now to the mixture, I'm going to add rose water. That's about it. So in case if you don't have rose water, you can always use filter water. Now I'm going to give this a quick mix, a really good mix. Can you see the color? You have to make sure that the aloe vera gel mixes really well. So I'm just going to put the dropper and try and mix it. Close the bottle and shake it again. Just make sure that there is nothing at the bottom which is not mixed properly. You'll get something like this, like a milky mixture. And now let's try it. So this is how the skin looks. The rose water gives a lot of freshness to your skin, and the almond oil, the vitamin E oil and aloe vera adds a lot of moisture to your skin. You can always use your moisturizer after this. I really love this serum and I always make it when winter starts because it really hydrates my skin and keeps my skin glowing. So we come to the end of this video. Make sure you try this serum and let me know if you liked it, if it helped your skin. Even if you don't have dry skin, you can always make this serum. Just remember, if you have oily skin, to remove the almond oil and use only the vitamin E oil. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. Do take care of yourself, be home, be safe, and I love you all. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.